Welcome to sunny California. Not only is this state home to Hollywood and famous vineyards, but it's also where those crunchy pistachios you love are grown. Today, we'll explore the journey from planting pistachio trees to the harvesting and processing at the factory, turning them into a delicious and nutritious snack. Stick with me as we discover some amazing facts about productivity and technology in this process. Pistachio trees aren't the kind of trees that bear fruit quickly. It takes 5 to 7 years before they start producing their first pistachios. But don't worry. Once mature, these trees can live and produce for over 100 years. California's pistachio orchards, especially in the San Joaquin Valley, are the main suppliers of pistachios to the world, contributing over 98% of the U.S. pistachio production. But waiting is just the first step. Let's dive into the real excitement, how these nuts are harvested. Harvesting time typically runs from late August to early October, when the pistachios are fully ripe. And here's the most exciting part of the journey: harvesting. The pistachios are ready, and we use simple yet highly effective technology: tree shakers. These machines gently shake the trees, and the pistachios fall onto the tarps like a rain of delicious nuts. Each machine can handle 800 to 1,000 trees per day. Did you know that each pistachio tree can produce between 22 and 25 kilograms of nuts per season? With thousands of trees like these, California produces millions of tons of pistachios every year. In fact, during each season, this entire region can harvest millions of tons of pistachios. Just imagine. From morning until evening, the nuts keep falling like rain, and it all happens so smoothly. Thanks to technology, farmers no longer need to pick each nut by hand. It's all done quickly without harming the trees. And if you're thinking about standing under a pistachio tree with your mouth open to catch the falling nuts, sorry. You might have to let these hard-working machines do the job. They don't take breaks. Pistachios aren't just a tasty snack. They're packed with incredible nutritional value. They're a great source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Eating just 30 grams of pistachios a day provides your body with nutrients that support heart health, reduce cholesterol, and improve digestion. A wonderful gift from nature, nurtured by the hands of hardworking people. But harvesting is only half the story. Once the nuts leave the orchard, they head to the factory, where they undergo a meticulous process to become the crunchy snack you love. Come with me inside the factory to discover the next step in this journey. Welcome to the factory, where the magic really happens. Every day, this factory processes up to 20 tons of pistachios. The first step is to wash the nuts. They go through an automated washing system to remove dirt and debris. This crucial step ensures the final product is as fresh and clean as possible. Next, the pistachios are dried at temperatures between 140 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 24 hours. This process ensures they maintain their crunch while preserving their natural flavor. After drying, the pistachios are sorted based on size and quality, ensuring only the finest nuts move on to the next stage of processing. Thanks to modern technology, each pistachio is carefully inspected and sorted. Any nuts that don't meet the quality standards are removed, and only the best pistachios continue down the production line. Precision and care in every step ensure that every bag of pistachios you buy meets the highest quality standards. Finally, the pistachios are carefully packaged to preserve their freshness and crunch. Every day, thousands of these packages are shipped worldwide, ensuring that people everywhere can enjoy California pistachios at their best, fresh, crunchy, and delicious. From the orchard to the factory, the journey of the pistachio isn't just about growing a crop. It's a testament to the harmony of modern technology and nature. But beyond that, the most important part is how these nuts bring joy and nutrition to you every day. So, we've journeyed from the pistachio orchards of California to the moment when these crunchy nuts are packed and delivered to you. Thank you for joining us. Appreciate every tiny pistachio, because behind each one lies a story of care and craftsmanship. Don't forget to share this video with friends so they too can learn more about the fascinating world of modern agriculture.